Hey guys, it's Beth, and today I'm back with a quick preview of my next Kilo pad project, which is CraftSmith School pad. And this was a Michael's Hot Buy from 2014. And I've actually used this one quite a bit. There are a bunch of scraps left. Some of the projects that I've already made with this, I had a customer who was a teacher, and she wanted a bigger binder style scrapbook that she could store like some letters or cards from her students and their parents. And so that was the biggest project I did out of here. And then at the end of the school year, I make an accordion style card for my daughters to give to their teachers. And I decorate it kind of like a scrapbook, but I don't put pictures or leave photo mats in there. I just do like journal prompts so that, you know, it could be my favorite memory of the school year with my teacher was our field trip to the zoo, or my favorite thing that my teacher always says is have a great afternoon. I don't know, just things that, you know, my daughter can say about the teachers and, you know, help the teachers remember them a little bit. And then I also include a pocket for gift cards for their end of the year gift. But that's what this pad has been used for so far, as evidenced by all the scraps. But we'll do a quick flip through and kind of talk about my plans for this pad. Not every page is school themed. Like, there are some that are just, you know, various colored patterns, but I do want to try and get some school themed scrapbooks out of here, probably paper bag scrapbooks, but we'll see. And since there are 2 pages left of most of the patterns, or at least between the scraps and the full pages, I'll probably try to do 2 scrapbooks that are similar, and then if, depending on what's left, I might be able to get a 3rd out of there. But then I do want to make the accordion cards for my daughter's teachers for this year, and then obviously some cards. I try and do that with every pad, and then maybe some decorative notepad covers as well, because some of these geometric patterns, and like this one, might make some cute notepad holders. And then there are some cut aparts in here, like these are labels, more labels and border strips, and then here's some bigger ones. And this page with the map, United States, is probably the only page that I really have no idea what I want to do with yet. But then just some other fun patterns. I like those rulers. There's some pencils, letters. So that's the paper. And then I went through my stash and pulled out whatever coordinating embellishments I could find. And so, like, here's a cut apart page that has similar colors. So I pulled that out, and then I have so many school themed stickers. And these are just some from Michael's, some from Hobby Lobby, some were just on sale, some were on clearance. I do have one stamp set that I got from Hobby Lobby many years ago. It's from TPC Studio, called I Love School. But then just a bunch of stickers, so I should have plenty to embellish my scrapbooks and cards with. Like I said, I know I want to make some scrapbooks and cards, but if there is something that you guys would like to see, something specific from this pad that you would like to see, or just any ideas that you have on how else I could use it up, it kind of depends on how much paper I have left after my scrapbooks and my teacher's cards, based on what I can actually, you know, accomplish with this one. But I still would love to hear ideas from you guys, because even if I can't use it on this pad, it might be something I can do with the next pad. So leave me any ideas or requests you have in the comments below. And I know some of you have requested a process video on my paper bag scrapbooks, so I will try to incorporate that. I will try to do one of those when I'm working on the scrapbooks for this pad. But kind of excited. Get some end of the year teacher gift items made, and then the scrapbooks for other people to use, either as end of the year teacher gifts or for their own kids' pictures as well. So that's this pad. Hopefully it's fun and I can get some good things out of it this month, but I thank you guys for your time today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, because my goal with this channel is to give you ideas on how to use up those pads, how to use up all that paper that you have in your stash. So thanks again for your time today, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.